Well, folks, that is my finished product. It's sloppy as hell. But I'm going with it, obviously. It's there. I'm going to have to do a lot of sanding and a lot of going back and redoing, and obviously a lot of glassing over, but I just wanted to show y'all. I think it'll smooth out pretty nice. I mean, if you look, it's pretty smooth. So going all the way up, I'm gonna have to add some more glass, like some actual matting, some chop strand matting. But I'm fairly pleased with the way it came out. I mean, first time fiberglassing, and I'm doing a whole transom, so it's I'm worried, a little bit worried about where I put these screws into the transom to tighten it up. I am a little bit worried about that. I don't know if they'll come out very easily. Like these right here, down there. But that's the only thing I could do. I definitely tried with all I could to clamp it, and put some braces up against it and hammer those down. Woke my kids up. They were pissed. about it. Got it braced up as much as I can, and we'll see how it turns out. Ain't no turning back now. It's over and done with.
Alright, so after taking the sanding to another level here, getting all of this stuff, this overhang, this crap that I gunked up, I got it all smooth, and went all through here, and got it really smooth and kind of in line with the rest of the boat here. So it looks real nice. I mean, it's not done. I still have like low spots, and need to build up some parts in here. But also what I did was go back through and took a little razor blade and chiseled out all these air compartments and got all the dust out. You can see that you got to really be careful, because if that's not going to create a good bond when I lay the glass over it. So I got all these little spots out. It took a little while. I mean, it's the whole project's just taking a while. See, you can even see some that are, let's see, you can even still see some that are still there that I need to get out, like right there. That one there needs to okay, right there, that needs to come out. So things like that, it looks like little powder, little holes, little crevices. See, they're all through here. So I went through this whole thing and dug them all out and everything, and it's just to make sure that I get a really good bond when I lay the actual mat over it. And I'm gonna thicken the epoxy too a little bit, so it fills in right here too. But lay it over all through here and kind of fan it in, and even wrap the bottom down here. I'll probably even wrap all this, just because this is gonna let water in. It's sealed on the inside. It just looks like it's not sealed on the outside, because that's how they made it. The shell is laid on top of the other shell. So, but anyway, what I'm gonna do for the rest of the time is take these clamps off. Oops. Take all these clamps off. They've been on for at least like 30 something hours, close to 40 hours, and I didn't get done with this project till about 1 o'clock in the morning 2 days ago on Monday. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then sand the rest of these, sand the rest of this down, and sand my transom and do some waterproofing. You see how I did my fillets down there, how it's I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit too, but it looks pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It's I wanted to make a concave surface, so the glass, just when I tab it in, the glass just lays down really nice to it and everything. So anyway, that's it. Not the prettiest work, but I'm gonna sand it down, make it look good, and then redo it now that I know how to work with fiberglass a little bit more. That was my first time ever working with fiberglass. So this thing ain't going nowhere. It's solid as a rock. I mean, it's stuck. So see, this side over here looks a lot better in my opinion. It's real smooth. I gotta go back and pick all these little, I gotta pick them out. That's the type of hole I'm talking about right there. Pick all that powder out from when I was sanding, and yeah, lay some mat down and a little bit of thickened epoxy, but I really wanted to get a good coat in the matting. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna be doing probably for the next couple days or so. But we'll see. I'll show you this guy too. It's not the best work, but you see how I got, there's high spots and whatnot, but it's probably just going to take me a couple layers. I got that smoothed out really nice to where it's going to lay glass over it really good. And it'll look like all one piece. So anyway, that's where we're at. And I'm going to get back to work. Try to pump out another video for you guys, and hopefully it's instructive and you'll learn something. I've certainly learned a lot from YouTube, so see you later.